Okay, let's go for breastfeeding. Okay, it's the gold standard. Your breast milk is the gold standard and the most appropriate form of nutrition for your infants. It's better than any formula milk. Okay, and when do you breastfeed? At least until 6 months of life, after which you can start combination, but you can go as much as 2 years to breastfeed with supplemental feeding already, no? Yung solid food feeding already, no? And how do we stimulate lactation? It's the milk letdown reflex that starts with the suckling of the infant that stimulates the hypothalamus to release to stimulate the pituitary gland to release two hormones. Prolactin produces milk and oxytocin releases milk. Okay, that's very important, huh? So remember this milk letdown reflex depends on the suckling stimulus. So pag hindi mo pinadede, talagang walang production. So dapat talaga padede mo ang baby. Okay? So other factors that will affect the breast milk production is the mood, emotional state of the mother, okay, diet of the mother, and also drugs and smoking. So dapat ito, tigil si mother. Okay? Kasi it also brings about or releases poor milk production. Okay? Are you aware of colostrum, class? Nakakita na kayo ng colostrum? Mukha ba siyang gatas? Ha? Mukha siyang gatas? Hindi. Mukha siyang, ano?
No.
Mukha siyang ano?
No.
Ha? Deep yellow color. Ang konti-konti lang niya. Gatas pa ba siya? Mukha siyang nana. Diba? Diba meron yung dati, ay, may nana sa ano, malabas pagkapanganak. That's colostrum. It's not nana. And why is it deep yellow in color? Because it is filled with proteins. Kaya malapot. So, a lot of immune factors, ayan no, IgA, GMD, preformed na siya. So that's good to be given to your baby. Ang problem, ang hirap lumabas sa breast kasi malapot siya. So talagang si baby, double effort at struggling to obtain that colostrum. Pero yung pinaghirapan, yun ang masustansya. Okay? So you have to give that to your babies, no? This is colostrum. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Konting-konti lang siya. After a week, wala ng colostrum. Mapapalitan na ng mature milk. And your mature milk can be in the form of foremilk and hind milk. Okay? So what is foremilk? First milk obtained in a nursing period. Pag bandang dulo na, alam mong paubos na yung milk mo, pag nagiging ganito ng kulay. Lumalapot siya, nagiging cream white siya. It's not malabnaw. Dok, dapat bang ma-obtain ito ng baby? Dapat bang sagarin ko yung milk production na hanggang masimot na niya yung breast? Yes. Bakit? That's the only time that you stimulate more milk production again. Yung partial na let go lang yung milk, hindi siya mag-stimulate ng more milk production. So dapat laging ubos. Dapat laging ma-reach yung hind milk. Why? It's cream white. Bakit kaya naging cream white? Ano kaya composition nito versus ito? What do you think is high here? Carbo, protein, or fats? Fats. Is fats filling? Nakakabusog ba? Yes. Pag si baby nainom niya yan, makakatulog ba siya ng mahimbing? Kasi busog siya? Yes. Lalaki ba siya? Lalaki siya. So dapat magpa-breastfeed ka hanggang 20 minutes para ma-reach mo yung hind milk. Eh, Dok, kawawa naman ako, nagtatrabaho ako, naka-zoom ako, Dok. Paano ka mag-zoom? Eh, di kumutan mo si baby, ano ba? Meron tayong regular student na, yun nga, nagpapaalam siya to put in Zoom off kasi nga, nagbe-breastfeed daw siya. No? So, happy for her. Okay? Okay? So, Doc, ang dami kong milk production kasi lagi ako nagpapaubos hanggang hind milk. Kaya si baby ko na-overwhelm sa dami. You can store it and donate it in the milk bank. Because your milk can be stored in the freezer for a year, basta deeply frozen. Ang saya nun, ano? Hindi lang ang baby mo, yung ibang bata. This is from Quezon City. Nabigyan mo pa yung ibang bata. Ang saya nun. So, ano lang gagawin mo? Pa-reach mo lang lagi ang hind milk. Yung ubos na ubos, yung parang dehydrated ka na. Pag mafe-feel mo yun, tapos parang may tingling sensation, nagpo-produce na naman ng milk. Ganon. I breastfed all my kids until hindi na siya baby. Yung bunso ko parang nagsuschool na, nagbe-breastfeed. Ganun. Meron pa talagang lumalabas. Ang saya-saya niya. Pero hindi ako pumayat. Bakit kaya? Wala lang. Okay? So yan na, colostrum versus mature milk. Colostrum is still healthier but wala kang choice. Within 5 days, you lose it. So better to consume all the mature milk. Na? Okay? Ito class, you don't have to memorize. I just wanted to stress that this is the composition of breast milk alongside all of this. May formula milk ba na containing all of that? Wala. Di ba ang formula milk, fresh milk, cow's milk na finormulate nila tapos dinagdagan nila ng kung ano-ano pa, fortified, pero nothing beats the composition of the natural breast milk. Okay? Alright, so yan. Why is cow's milk good for, not good for babies? Because it's still best for cows. Di ba? Yung gatas ng nanay, para sa bata. Yung gatas ng cow, para sa baka. Di ba? Wag mo siya bigyan agad ng cow's milk. Pwede pag matanda na kayo. But if so, less than 2 years old, it's very heavy to digest the 80% casein. Matigas masyado yung protein na yan. Napakahirap i-digest. Ang gusto mo is the whey protein coming from human milk. Yan ang madaling i-digest. Okay? So the healthier protein is whey, and the casein is the harder to digest. Apart from that, cow's milk is foreign to the body of the baby. Animal protein yan. And an animal protein can always be antigenic. Correct? So it can stimulate auto-antibody production. No? So pwedeng allergenic din yan. Okay? So we don't want that. So kailan ko bibigyan ng fresh milk ang baby? Formula milk ka muna kung di ka maka-breast milk until 2 years old. Pag medyo mature na yung gastrointestinal system and the baby itself, saka ka makakapagbigay ng cow's milk, yung fresh milk. Huwag yung tamad kayo, di ba? Yung binibili mo yung chocolate flavor pa, di ba? Yung may ganon, no? Huwag naman ganon. Magtiyaga ka sa formula milk, mas mahal nga lang siya, di ba? Ayun. So attributes, contributes, ayan, fresh and ready to go. Anytime you need it, it's there. O yan yung baby ko na, no, happy baby lang talaga siya. Ngayon, siya na yung cook namin. Hindi na ako nagluluto. Siya na yung nagluluto. No? 16 years old na siya ngayon. Pero yan siya. Decreases ear infection, bonding with mother, kasi lagi kayo magkakabit. Hindi siya makakatulog without you. The scent of the mother puts the baby to sleep kasi nga nagdedede siya sa'yo. So that's bonding with the baby. And reduces the risk of allergies and obesity also. No? So, it prevents also, it's also a contraceptive. Okay? When you breastfeed, you have a high prolactin. Therefore, you do not ovulate and you do not menstruate because you have lower estrogen levels. No? So, it's those are the attributes. No? So, for unsuccessful breastfeeding, ang talagang main acceptable reasons lang if you have chronic disease and the intake of a lot of medications can prevent the mother from giving her breast milk to the baby. Pero the others, you can do something about it. Okay? All right. Yan na po. Thank you.